Good morning. My name is Dima. I'm CEO and founder of LeapXpert. Let's start with a quick show of hands. Wake up, guys. So who among you are using personal messengers, such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and others? All of you. Who are using the same messengers for work? Many of you. And you're not alone. It's estimated there's around 1 billion people around the globe using messengers for work on a monthly basis. There is a large gap between this behavior and what companies, especially banks, are expecting from an enterprise-grade communication channel. And the gaps are no control, no data ownership, no compliance controls, and no visibility. Ignoring this is no longer an option, and forbidding your employees to message your clients is also no longer an option because clients are demanding that. In LeapXpert, we have a product that we call the Federated Messaging Orchestration Platform. This platform bridges the gap by allowing the companies to message their clients using any messenger, while ensuring that such conforms to enterprise-grade communication standards, ensuring data ownership and compliance. And this is how it works. So on the left, you can see communication hub that company employees are using to message all the clients. On the right, you can see a mobile device which plays the role of a client. And the client's name today is Jenny. So here, I'm a company employee going to Jenny. And here on the top, this is what we call our multi-channel approach. So with Jenny, I can communicate seamlessly using any of those channels. I'm choosing WhatsApp because it is the closest to Europe you can get, and I'm sending a message. What you can see is the message immediately arriving to Jenny's device, Jenny's vanilla WhatsApp application, and she can answer. And she can even send a voice note, which is very popular in some places. All those messages are immediately arriving to the communication hub, and company employee can see them. So this was simple, right? One-to-one communication. But communication is much more complex than that. Let's talk about group chats. Sometimes we need to have group chats with multiple clients or with multiple company employees. So here we have an example of one group chat. And the amazing thing you will see right now is this group chat contains 3 people, and all of them using different communication channels. One over WhatsApp, one over WeChat, and one using internal messenger. Let's jump to another group chat. Here, everybody on WhatsApp except the internal employee. Let's send the message here. And you can see this message arriving to WhatsApp application, but in a different thread. Right? So seamless integration with WhatsApp and other messengers. Now, let's say Jenny wants to communicate with a company employee whom she never talked before. She can go to our official company account and say, connect to Nicole. And the platform will immediately establish, again, one-to-one communication with another employee called Nicole in this case. Simple, right? Of course, we understand that company employees are always on the go, so we also developed a mobile application for them. And this is how it looks like. So mobile application that company employees can use on the go to message their entire client base over any messenger. So here, same Jenny as before. I'm going inside. I'm choosing, let's say, line communication channel this time, very popular in Japan, Taiwan, Thailand, and so on. I'm sending a message. Jenny receives it, which you cannot see because it's a different device, and she can answer. And she answers with an image. And lo and behold, this image sends a subtle notice to all of you. OK, let's go back to our desktop. When it comes to banks adopting new solution, the longest path of adoption is to approve the use of a new mobile or desktop application on a corporate device. Understanding that and seeing the meteoric rise of applications like Slack and Microsoft Teams in banks, we decided to remove the adoption barrier for company employees, those 6 months, and integrate it into this platform. Let me show you how our integration with Microsoft Teams looks like. So this is a vanilla Microsoft Teams with our application inside. So any company employee for banks already adopted Teams can use the platform from within their Teams. Of course, we supports Teams Mobile as well. So here we have a same journey as before, and this time I will use a WeChat communication channel just to show the variety of different channels. And this message arrives to WeChat application. And Jenny can answer. Now, why we are doing all of this, you might ask. And the reason is very simple. For control, compliance, and data ownership. And to demonstrate you that, I will show you an audit log. So each company employee has an audit log, which contains each and every interaction, every message I sent so far, each and every interaction between the banker and the client. Of course, when we deploy into banks, we integrate with large air coming systems, CRM systems, data leakage prevention systems, and so on. To summarize, I hope you all learned today that there is a way to allow your employees to message your clients while addressing the needs of your bank and the needs of your clients, who are increasingly demanding to be able to message their banks and other firms. If you would like to know more, please come to visit at our booth, and enjoy your lunch. Thank you very much.